today I will show you how to send attachment file using WhatsApp bulk message sender. So just install the extension and go to your WhatsApp, and you see here the WhatsApp icon. Click here, and here you can send using multiple numbers, or you can send using CSV file. So both settings are available here. Here just set your message, and here check on the send attachment. You can see both options on here for the CSV file or multiple numbers, and here upload your attachment file. So you can send any type file here. Select open and click to upload. So you see here the edit, and you can also upload multiple photos. So upload here, and I can upload another. So you see here all file is supported. This is so after your attachment edit, then you can click to send messages. It's loading and it starts sending. You see here on the background it's sending messages and also sending the attachment. You see on the background. So all messages is sent, and you can download the report here.